Hello everyone, we are Flux. Today's video, what we want to show is 60W laser cutter hexa. In today's video, we will introduce the working range, materials used in actual operation of hexa. You can refer to the timeline below the video. Feel free to choose the section you want to learn about and start watching. Before we begin, if you are very interested in laser engraving creation, welcome to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. You won't miss any information related to laser engraving. Let's take a look at the working range of hexa. The dimensions of the hexa body are 111, 67, 27.3 centimeters. The working area measures 73, 41, 12.5 centimeters. It is currently the machine with the largest working range from Flux. Hexa is equipped with a 60-watt CO2 laser tube, can cut wood or acrylic up to 16 mm. It can be used by schools, design industry, or mass customization creations. Meet various engraving needs. The applicable materials can be referenced on the right side of the screen. Hexa can cut wood, acrylic, and cardboard. With the spray, it is also possible to engrave stainless steel. Additionally, glass can also be easily engraved. Next, we will introduce the touch panel of hexa. This panel, you can check the current operating status of the machine. There is also the progress of the work. You can also adjust the laser parameters, save sample time, make it more convenient for users to operate. In addition, the exhaust fan of hexa can remove waste gas from engraving. Sent to the air purifier Beam Air Pro will not be directly emitted into the space. Can reduce the generation of smoke and odors. Now we are ready to start operating the hexa. Before starting, please ensure that Beam Studio is the latest version. You can also choose to visit the Flux official website and click on the Beam Studio web version. Turn on the hexa and connect to Wi-Fi. Place the material you want to engrave. Press the AF button inside the machine to perform automatic focusing. Next, open Beam Studio to perform a camera preview. Import the image file after previewing. Once you set the parameters and send the file, you can start engraving. The engraving section of hexa is equipped with a 1.5-inch short focus lens kit. It can also be used to make laser engraving works more detailed. If you are concerned about burn marks during the engraving process, we recommend placing the sheet material on top of the raised cone at the bottom of the working area. This can help avoid the formation of burn marks. In addition, hexa is also equipped with a flame detection system. When the machine shows any abnormalities, hexa will automatically stop operating. If you want to see more introductions about Flux machines, follow our channel, as well as our Instagram and Facebook. Stay updated with the latest news. See you in the next video.